These affirmations will reprogram your mind for wealth, freedom, and abundance. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine money flowing to you with ease. Let's begin. I am a money magnet. Money flows to me daily. I find new chances easily. I deserve freedom with money. Money comes to me in many ways. My bank balance grows. I am thankful for my money. I let go of fear about money. Prosperity is always around me. Abundance is natural for me. I attract more income. Wealth enters my life fast. I deserve to live rich.
I earn while doing what I love.
My income keeps rising every day. Blessings come to me daily. My actions bring me wealth. Success follows me. I use money with care. I believe I can create wealth. I receive abundance with joy. I celebrate my money wins. The universe supports me. I am free and secure. Each day I grow richer. Together we are attracting abundance. Share your comments on what wealth means to you. Subscribe for more such weekly affirmations and life lessons. Join me in this journey with SARI Universe and let's influence one life positively.